Hi, good day once again. Ito po si Daddy GM. Nandito naman po tayo sa Cooking Tips with Daddy GM. So, ang ginagawa ko ngayon po ay gagawa po ako ng special nutritious patties. Parang burger patty siya na hinahalo sa burger. Pero ang gagawin ko is special recipe na idea ko. Ang tinatawag po nito ay carrot patties. Carrots patties together with hot dogs para pampabata to siya. Kainin sa mga bata. And isa sa mga ingredients po na ginagawa ko ngayon is yung hot dogs. Malilit lang na hot dogs, yung parang bite size na hot dogs. Then i-slice mo siya ng dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan mo siyang i-slice. Then liitin mo siya mismo. Liitin mo siya mismo. Pag liit mo, nang tama-tama din siya na maliliit masyado. So para siyang i-grind mo sa pamamagitan ng kutsilyo. Okay? Liliitin mo siya tulad niyan. Okay? Then liitin mo siya ng konti na para bang madali siyang maluto, madali ihalo. So almost done sa pag-slice ng mga hot dogs. Okay? So first of all, ang mga ingredients po natin na i-prepare first is yung bite-sized hot dogs. Kahit mga 10 pieces, okay na yan. 10 pieces na hot dogs, bite-size. Cut it in small pieces and chop mo siya ng maliliit masyado. So we have still 4 hot dogs more to go. Yan, 4 hot dogs more to go. Sasabay mo siya. Then ganito pag-size niya mismo. Mga sir and mom, mga guys. Alright, mga gustong magluto ng ganito, mga discovery recipes ni Daddy GM, which is while nasa bahay, holiday, or no classes, walang opisina, so much better. We will do our cooking chef with Daddy. Chef Daddy GM. So nagbibigay po sa inyo ng magandang tips para makamura pero quality na pagkain para sa pamilya, especially para sa mga anak natin. So first thing you do, prepare carrots. 2 carrots lang na malalaki. Then 10 pieces na small bite hot dogs. Then i-mix mo muna yan siya. Okay? I-mix mo muna. After mo mag-mix, next na ingredients. So maglagay tayo ng 2 eggs. So ang ingredients po natin are 2 big pieces of carrots, 10 pieces of small bites hot dogs. Hindi lang ako mag-mention ng brand, basta hot dog siya. Pero ang ginagamit ko ay Pure Foods bite-sized hot dogs, 10 pieces. Then lagay mo yung egg. Yan. 2 pieces ng egg. Yan. So 1, 2. Ang ginagamit ko na size ng egg is medium size eggs. And if you think na para bang kulang konti yung pagmi-mix, next thing you do, lagyan mo ng additional na egg. So all in all, 3 pieces of eggs. Yan. I-mix mo siya. Kita mo, simpleng kwan lang, ingredients, but nutritious. And ipapakita ko sa inyo mismo, or sa ating lahat, paano magluto just like a restaurant way by Chef Daddy GN. Okay? So, this will be our third cooking tips for this week. So, atabangan niyo po, watch for my next release of my video for our third cooking tips recipe. Alright, kahapon kakabigay ko lang ng video online. Alright, okay. Then, after maglagay niyan, okay, then, lagyan din natin ng flour. Flour, kung wala kayong flour, maglagay lang kayo ng cornstarch. The reason why may cornstarch, para medyo malapot yung patties natin, which is veggie patties with hot dogs and some secret ingredients. Okay, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Okay, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Okay, mimix natin ng mabuti para maganda ang kalabasan. Okay. After ma-mix natin yan ng mabuti, yan, mix ng mabuti, yan. After ma-mix ng mabuti, lagyan natin ng 2 pinches of salts. 1, 2 pinches of salts. Okay? Huwag masyadong maalat kasi for health reason din. Alright. So, mix it well para equal lahat ang lasa. Okay. So, yan din ang frying pan na gamitin natin, yung wok natin. Yan, linis na. So, all you have to do is just simply mix it well. Okay, mix it well. Okay. And, pag makita ninyo na para bang mas lalong sasarapan ninyo yung food, just like, kita nyo parang pizza ang dating, pero patties yun siya, made from special ingredients of Daddy GN, Chef Daddy GN. Okay, so all in all, we will have 4 spoons of cornstarch, which is very convenient. Okay, natin. Mix well. Okay. Halo na siya ng mabuti. Alright. Halo mo siya ng mabuti para maganda yung result niya mismo. Don't worry. Alright, there we go. Okay, mix well. Alright. So kung wala kayong cornstarch or the flour, so all in all, we have ingredients na inalo ko ay 2 pieces of carrots, 10 pieces of Pure Foods or any hotdog brands, as long as maganda siya, good quality hotdog din, para quality din yung bibigay natin na pagkain sa pamilya. 10 pieces of small bites hot dogs, and 6 spoons of cornstarch or flour, and 2 pinches or 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, para lagay. So, yan. There we go. So, almost done. So, next nating i-prepare. Alright. So, last ingredients natin nilagay ay yung black pepper. Kunting black pepper lang. Black pepper powder. It's a black pepper powder. Okay? So, pops mo lang. Kunti lang. Yan. Mas lalong sasarap. So, hep hep. Hooray! Alright, this is once again Chef Daddy GM giving you a very nutritious, unique restaurant like patties for our family, especially for our kids. Okay, here we go. So, ready na tayo? So, that's it. So, next thing na going to do natin, turn on the wok. Okay. Turn the stove with the clean wok. So, dapat kunting laki din yung wok niyo para mas lalong maganda yung pagkalagay. Okay, so that's it. So we will have our result later on. Okay, so once again, that's how we cook. Thank you, and wait for a moment. Alright, so mainit na. Lagyan natin ng cooking oil. So, haluin natin ng cooking oil. Oh. Tamtaman lang. Okay, that's it. Let it heat. Heat mo siya. Let it heat out. Okay. That's it. Okay. So, medyo okay na yung natin. Yung wok with some oil. So, ito try na din natin ngayon paano luto na. Okay. Depende paglagay mo sa wok with hot oil kung gaano kalaki din yung patis na ilagay mo. So for right now, as I cook, try mo muna yung isang kutsara. Ganito siya. Try mo muna to. Then ilagay na natin dito. Yan. Pa-form mo siya ng parang ganon. Then, ilagay ka dito. Isa. Yan. Separate. Then, isa naman para kasya siya lahat. At saka, madaling maluto din. Yan. Ilagay natin yung isa. Yan. So, wag masyadong i-crowded ang paglagay sa wok. Pagluto mismo in short. Para mayroon siyang space. Okay? So, that's it. After a few minutes, like 1 minute in one side, so other side na naman another 1 minute. So that's it. Once again, this is Daddy GM giving you the third cooking tips recipe for today, which is carrot patties with hot dogs and some secret ingredients. Thank you once again and have a great day. See you in next video. Bye.